Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a fascinating topic, the differences between human and animal brains. Now you might think that it's all just a matter of size, but there's a whole lot more to it than that. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about size. Yes, in general, human brains are larger in relation to body size than most animal brains. But size isn't everything. It's the structure and complexity that really set us apart. Take the neocortex, for example. This part of the brain is like the command center for higher order functions, such as reasoning, language, and conscious thought. In humans, the neocortex is highly developed and intricately folded, much more so than in most animals. This allows for an incredibly dense network of neurons, which means more processing power. Now onto something really interesting, language and communication. Humans are unique in our ability to use complex language. While animals do communicate, think of a dog barking or a bird singing, it's not nearly as complex as human language. Our brains have specific areas like Broca's and Wernicke's areas, which are crucial for speech production and comprehension. But it's not just about talking, it's about connecting. Our brains are wired for empathy and social interaction, which is supported by our mirror neuron system. These neurons fire both when we perform an action and when we see someone else performing the same action, helping us understand and empathize with others. Now, how about learning and memory? Animals certainly have impressive memory skills. Think of a squirrel remembering where it buried its nuts or an elephant recalling a watering hole. However, humans can remember and reflect on past experiences with much greater complexity. We can strategize, plan, and predict future outcomes based on past experiences, which is a game changer. And of course, there's problem solving. While many animals use tools, like a chimpanzee using a stick to get termites from a mound, human problem solving goes much further. Our brains enable us to think abstractly, reason logically, and create solutions that aren't always immediate or direct. We can invent, imagine, and innovate. So, while we share many basic brain functions with animals, such as the instincts for survival and reproduction, it's our advanced cognitive abilities that really set us apart. The human brain is not just a bigger version of an animal brain. It's a complex, sophisticated, and wonderfully unique organ that allows us to perceive the world in ways no other species can. And that, my friends, wraps up our whirlwind tour of the human brain versus the animal brain. It's clear that while we share some similarities with our animal friends, the human brain has some truly unique features that are all its own. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.